Good morning, Accounting Expo 2020. My name is Chad Hardy, and I'm the Chief Operation Officer for PayRoller and Bookipi. We've got a 15-minute tech talk today, and I want you to get excited about what we're doing. What are we doing? 2 tools that will 10x your small business or accounting and bookkeeping practice. So we're going to go through 3 segments today. The first segment is for small business owners and about getting you back to business as usual. The second is for business advisors, so we can give your customers the first great thing in 2020. And finally, for our accountants and bookkeepers, we're going to show you how easy it is to run payroll and invoices for 50 of your customers all at once. So let's roll out the big hitters for everyone here. Small business owners, let's get you back to business as usual. The government is implementing a number of subsidies to help you maintain and grow your business. I'll show you how you are going to cut the administration costs of hiring new staff by 67% for free. And I'm also going to give you a free invoicing platform. The future is free, so start with it today. I use our software myself. The first time I used it, I was blown away. The only thing I said was, wow, that was so easy. For business advisors, I'm going to give you a free toolkit to bring to your business clients. They're going to love you so much for these tools. You're going to cut their administration time down drastically, increase their cash flows by simplifying their invoicing process, and you're going to remove the painful burden that is single touch payroll and superannuation payments. For accountants and bookkeepers, we're going to keep the momentum going, and I'm going to show you how you will run the accounts receivable and payroll and superannuation for your client businesses in a fraction of the time it currently takes. The feedback you'll get from your clients will be, why didn't we do this sooner? So, jumping in for the small business owners, if you're a business advisor, accountant, or bookkeeper, I recommend sticking around, as you'll see how your clients will be handling their business through our software. For the small business owners, let's get you back to business as usual. This means cutting costs, improving efficiency, increasing revenue, and removing your administrative burden. How? Well, to do that, you need to be on top of your payroll and the current government schemes and tax rates. That way, you have time to work on your business rather than in your business, and you can avoid making simple administrative mistakes. We've got the tools to help you do just that. PayRoller will quickly become one of your favorite business products of all time. Firstly, PayRoller is free. You won't pay a thing to use PayRoller. Secondly, PayRoller makes everything around PayRoller easy. Setting up new employees, administering job keepers, superannuation, single touch PayRoller, and the new job maker incentive. It's as easy as drinking water. Thirdly, PayRoller makes bringing on new staff an absolute breeze. It cuts administration time by 67%. And if you're going to get the $200 per week job maker incentive for every new staff member, you'll want to be using PayRoller to make it as fast a process as possible. Also, fourthly, PayRoller is both an app and a web-based platform. So whether you're on the go with your smartphone or on your computer, you're able to run payroll, send payslips, update your staff details, and approve leave. It's really that easy. So let's dive into all the reasons you dislike doing payroll. I know because I do that here for my team as well. So first off, getting set up on payroll can be a pain, right? To say setting up your company on PayRoller is actually an enjoyable experience is the absolute truth. It's straightforward, it's simple, and it's easy. As you can see on our slide here, it's so simple that all you do is sign up, enter your details, click Enable STP, and you're done. No joke, it's really that simple, and now you're ready to add your staff. We truly recommend you check out all the other payroll platforms, including PayRoller, and you'll quickly see why our clients are absolutely in love with our product PayRoller. Getting set up is beyond easy, and getting in direct contact with our Aussie customer excellence team is the fastest way to get back to business. Now, once you've set up your business in those quick steps, it's then setting up your staff. Now, the way you go through currently setting up your staff is you make the contract, you fill in the super declaration form, and you fill the TFN declaration and you send it out. They receive it, manually fill it in, and send those forms back to you. Now you take that paper and piece by piece, you enter each of these documents into your computer. With PayRoller, all you need to do is enter their name and contact details into PayRoller and hit send. We send your new employee the forms and automatically onboard them to the platform. This means no errors on your end with incorrect information or erroneous details. And most important, there's no data entered for you. Your new staff entering their details like they would on the form, but it's automatically in the platform. Tick, job's done, and it's back to business. It's fantastic. Now, moving on, PayRoller is the best ATO approved, completely free, single touch payroll software out there. When you set up your PayRoller account or anytime afterwards, you immediately tick the box that says enable STP and you're ready to go. Now, every time you run your payroll, you will be submitting your STP to the ATO. It's that easy. It's as simple as run, review, approve, and get back to business as usual. And we've just wrapped up this quarter now, and I know everyone right now is thinking about superannuation and what a pain that was. We've partnered with Beam, a great name in superannuation. So you have a fully integrated superannuation clearinghouse integrated with the PayRoller software. For small business owners, that might just be a whole bunch of words, but in short, when you want to complete your superannuation payments, all you do is you click review of the pay runs you've already done and you approve them. It's that easy. Our superannuation clearinghouse handles the rest. So PayRoller skips the need for third-party portals and file uploads. When you choose to pay with direct deposit, the funds come directly out of your account without any effort on your end. So to highlight, when you're ready to run super at the end of the week, end of the month, or end of the quarter, you click review your pay run, click approve, and you're done. Direct deposit takes it immediately out of your account if that's the way you want to do it. You'll get your super done before your staff comes back from their last smoke out. Now, we're all super excited about how easy it is to use PayRoller, and to top it off, PayRoller again is free. The next great tool I'm going to give you is bookkeepi Invoice. Now, this global invoicing product is amazing. It's free, it's simple, it's the easiest way to send invoices to your clients. To break up the flow, I'm going to show you a helpful video on how to get set up and send an invoice to your clients. So jumping in, obviously it's free forever. Merely click the Get Started button. Obviously enter your company name so that anyone who receives an invoice from you knows exactly who you are. That easy. Now we're going to pick the type of business, and we're the Finance Expo this year, so we're going to click Finance and Insurance. Almost done, only 4 steps. Merely enter your email address for invoices. This way you're sending out to your clients, they know who you are, and they have the ability to send back to you. Bang, it's that easy to get set up. Now, obviously you don't have any invoices, so we're going to start by clicking the large plus sign to add our first invoice. Right? All the information is already added in, but you need to add a customer to get started. You can import a list from your contacts, or we're just going to create a new one. So manually typing in, we're going to put in the name of our recipient, and then we're going to add their email so we can send the invoice to them. I'm Chad, and that's my email, chad@bookkeepi.com. So if you're interested, let me know. We're also going to add an item, the 2 necessary elements to your invoice. Very easily, very simply, you type in the name of the item that they have purchased from you or that you're invoicing them for. In this example, we're going to be doing the tickets for the expo. Now, you can save those items and roll them onto your next invoice as well if you consistently do the same type of business. Now, if you're a small business, we have the ability for you to put your tax rate in. So if you're under the threshold for GST, you can leave that area blank. And it remembers it for all of your future invoices. So it's super simple, and all you do is click send. From here, you get to preview a version of the invoice so that it's ready to go to be sent out. Click send. It pre-populates a message to your recipient, gets you to confirm the email address or SMS number, and you hit send. And that way, you've just sent your first invoice. It's that fast to get set up and that fast to send. So, small business owners, thanks so much for your time. If you want to stick around, we've got a bunch of great information, but we're going to dive into our small business advisors. You've already seen what PayRoller can do for your clients in terms of its simplicity and efficacy. As a business advisor, your client's success is your success. You need to provide appropriate tools to ensure that they succeed, making sure they keep more money in their pocket and extra time to build their business. Now, this is where we help. New software poses 2 big challenges to small businesses: a lack of time to learn it and a lack of easy and practical solutions. With PayRoller, PayRoller users learn how to use it in less than 10 minutes. Anyone, no matter how good or bad or technically or technologically inept they are, can use PayRoller. Our handy catalog of training videos helps them along the way. And if they're ever stuck, we have a fantastic customer excellence team ready and able and at your disposal. Okay? So what's your client's value? Firstly, the right price. Absolutely. Easy to use software. They want direct insights into managing their business. They want compliance with all the new tax rules and access to all those new incentives. They also want high quality customer support. Our Customer Excellence Center is headquartered here in Sydney. With online and phone support, we make your client's success our success too. We have hundreds of thousands of users, but our phones are actually pretty quiet because our software is that great, and we let you carry on with actually getting your business done. So as a business advisor, you help your clients keep up to date with what's happening in the broader environment. When the government introduced STP, you told them about it. When JobKeeper came out, you let them know what they could do. When the government adjusted the personal income tax rate in October, you told them. And with the upcoming job maker incentives, you've prepared them for it too, right? Well, that's just a small snippet of the big changes that are happening, and more things are going to happen in their particular industry. Now, this is where PayRoller and Bookipi help. All these things are automatically handled in our apps. This means when changes happen, big or small, we take care of it for you and for your clients. We make life easy because we know you can only do so much. You make them aware, but somewhere along the line, someone has to take action. So let us handle those tricky situations and all those extra changes by doing it inside the apps so they can focus on the business. And summing up, recommend Bookkeepi Invoice and PayRoller to your clients. They're free, easy to use, and fully functional. Let's get your businesses connected. And saving the best for last, we're keen to keep the momentum going, our accountants and bookkeepers. You've seen how easy PayRoller is for your clients, but it's also super easy for you. For some of you, your clients have you put in charge of their STP. For the rest of you, you might just need access for the end of month or quarterly reconciliations. Either way, PayRoller has something for you. The first thing you'll love is the agent portal. In the agent portal, all of your clients will be listed so you can access their accounts from a single login. You can use this if you need to go in and physically do the pay runs for your clients, or you can use it to go into your client's account and pull up the reports you need for your reconciliations. For the accountants and bookkeepers doing STP for your clients, in the agent portal, we have a feature called Bulk Payroll and Bulk STP. If you need to produce pay runs and STP for multiple entities and submit that to the ATO, this feature will help you do it in no time. Very simple, number of clicks, review, approve, and send. So another place you're losing time is in the manual entry and chasing up clients for their details. Your clients are all going to have varying levels of technological proficiency. So we implemented two different ways of adding them into PayRoller. For the accountants and bookkeepers that have tech proficient clients or want their clients to fill in their details, you can send them an invite to get them set up. You merely click the invite button, add their email, and send. They will fill in their details, and you don't have to spend any of your time doing that manual entry. For the accountants and bookkeepers who want to add multiple clients in one go, or you have your client's detail easily on hand, we have a bulk upload feature that you can use to set up all of your clients in one go. We're going to go to a quick video, and you can watch how I add a client, multiple clients, to PayRoll in a little bit under a minute. So here we are in our PayRoller screen. All we're going to do is click first off, our single user invitation. So we're going to go up there and we're going to click invite. And we're going to invite Santa because the North Pole has recently been brought on as a PayRoller client. Very fantastic. We're very excited about this, about the partnership. All you do is you enter the name of the individual, you put in their email address, and you hit send. From here, they will then go through that process of adding all the details for their account. They will then go through and onboard their employees, or you can do the same. To do bulk, we click our bulk upload list. We then have here, as you can see, already pre-populated with a number of entities that we're going to upload into our platform. we give you that pro forma CSV, so it's super easy to upload. And then all you do is upload, verify that the details are correct, and hit go. From there, all those accounts are created on your profile and you can start administering them right away. If you have their employee details as well, you can then upload that entire list to have the next pay run ready to go. Super simple, super easy, super effective. PayRoll is an absolute fantastic product for you to help operate your clients' businesses and to do it faster and for free. So for everyone who tuned in, thank you all so much for joining the PayRoller and Bookipi Tech Talk. The biggest thing I want you to remember about today is what's the cost? Nothing. It's absolutely free when you work with Bookipi and PayRoller. Now, whether you are a business owner, business advisor, or an accountant bookkeeper, you should head over to our e-stall, I guess is what we're calling it this week, the Bookipi and PayRoller stall, and have a chat with our team if you have any questions. Or you can head to bookkeepi.com or payroller.com.au to check out our products in action, or simply shoot us an email at the email addresses listed here. PayRoller and Bookipi speak for themselves in how easy they are to use. So let's get businesses back to business as usual. Thanks again.